In front of me is Vivo Y16, and today I would like to show you how you can manage location of this Vivo smartphone. First of all, go into Tab menu. Now look for location shortcut, and when you find it, click on it. As you can see in this pop-up, I need to select close, and when I go back, location of this Vivo is off. If you wish to turn it back on, click on the same shortcut. You can also go into settings and look for location section over here. Then click on it and manage location by tapping on this switcher to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!